Hi, this is Ahmed Jindia. Um, Today I would like to talk about how to store your data if you have a Grasshopper program like that, in which you run and on each time you get a different result, a result that you need to store to export to another file, say to Excel file, then visualize your data. Um, let's start from the beginning. It's a BV module, and here we can switch between different types of module. On each on each time we switch, we get a different output, a different result. Let's see first what we need to record our data. Here we have a component called a data recorder, in which we can bring, if we double click on the screen and start typing data recorder, second result. This is our recorder, which record data on each run and keep it for the next time. You can rename it here, any name you want. Let's say that I have created three of it, as you can see from the screen. Okay. After that, we connect the output of each of our component to an Excel export item, which you can bring from the add-on here, TT Toolbox. You can double click here and start writing Excel. Write to Excel. You can get this component. This needs first to get the add-on TT Toolbox. Now let's run our program and see how we can, how the basic or the right steps to store your data. If we select here CECBV module, the program will start to run to give you an output. It will take time and I will fast forward. Okay, we got some output here. Let's check. Every run we got two outputs, one related to tracker system and the other to fixed system, and I want to record these numbers on the Excel sheet to have them charted and visualized. Okay, now that was related to CEC vertical axis, and I just need to drag and plug this result here. Now this result is recorded here, and I can easily remove this again, as I don't need to be recorded in the next run. Just hold your control key and drag it again, so you have this data recorded here. And similarly for the fixed system, you need to drag your output from here and connect to this component. Then you don't need it anymore. Control and it is removed. Similarly, you can navigate through the other options to store your data. Let's reverse back to simplified module, and I will run the other option and give you the final results to see how to export your data to Excel sheet. Okay, and I have my final result here after I run the simplified model again. Now let's check the outputs and redo the final step. I have to connect this here and then reconnect it holding control key again for the fixed system. Connect and disconnect. Okay, here I have the values or the outputs. I have connected each output here to the data input in the Excel export component, right to Excel component, and this component needs three or two inputs to necessarily work. First, the toggle that gives it the the sign to write, and here you have to specify if you want to write to either to row columns or to rows. You can also give your data a title. I called it here output power for vertical axis. Now let's double click here to make it true and see the resulted Excel sheet. Okay, now I have my Excel sheet created, and I can easily select my data and visualize the data by any of the ways that I need, or I can specify in Excel, for example using bar or 3D column. Anyway, I can select here or go through the let's delete this thing. um, or graphs like this. Now you can see how the output power varies from the type. You can give names here to make your drawings more clear, and this is according to the way you want to show your result and to present it in your thesis or in your work. Thanks, and I hope this video helps. Goodbye.